This Bigfoot 10 1/4 inches worm drive beam saw was designed by a professional tradesman with 27 years of practical on-the-job, carpentry, framing, and remodeling experience. While the Bigfoot saw was originally designed for cutting 2 plates in one pass, we quickly found it could also cut any 4x materials in one pass just as easily. The Bigfoot saw will cut your 4x headers, double 2x sandwich headers, exposed beams for decks, porches, 4x4 fence posts, and 7 sheets plus 1/2 inches plywood with one pass. Check the link in the description below to get the most updated price in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale. What makes this product a smarter choice? Number 1. 17 pounds of performance, comfort, and durability. The Bigfoot 10 1/4 inches worm drive beam saw was deliberately designed to be lighter than our competitors' comparable saws because weight matters when you're working with a tool all day long. This well-balanced machine was designed by a framer with almost 3 decades of professional experience. He had the insight to create a high-performance beam cutting saw that's comfortable to work with during long projects. He was also familiar with the conditions framers and carpenters often work in, so the Bigfoot was designed to be rugged enough for even the toughest job sites. Number 2. Available accessories. The Bigfoot 75-degree swing table is custom made in our shop for the Bigfoot 10 1/4 inches saw and allows you to cut full bearing rafters, beams, glue lams, micro lams, and more. Number 3. Best beam saw blades on the market. Our blades are designed with the perfect balance of strength and ruggedness. The high carbon steel, heat-treated Bigfoot blade with 36 carbide tip teeth is the ultimate general-purpose blade. We use the best grade carbide teeth, a thin but strong steel plate that resists blade flex and gives you a clean, straight, controlled cut. Our thin curved blade helps prolong your saw's life by putting the least amount of stress possible on the motor, allowing higher RPMs and better resulting cuts in just one pass. The Bigfoot 10 1/4 inches worm drive beam saw can cut 4x headers or double 2x headers, exposed deck and porch beams, 4x4 posts, or 7 sheets with 1/2 inches plywood. Number 4. When cutting at a 90-degree angle, the depth of cut is 3 7/8 inches. Number 5. When cutting at a 45-degree angle, the depth of cut is 2 3/4 inches. Number 6. Lightweight magnesium parts saw weighs 16.59 pounds with the blade. Number 7. Assembled in the USA. And so much more. Thanks for watching. I leave my affiliate links down in the video description below. Click on those links and they'll give you most updated prices in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale.